Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Kitchenaid Worm Gear is probably one of the most overlooked yet critical components in maintaining the legendary performance of your stand mixer, ensuring smooth operation and extending its lifespan for countless baking adventures, making it an essential consideration for anyone serious about keeping their culinary workhorse running like new without constant professional repairs. Number 5. Impresa High-Viscosity Food Grade Grease. This high-viscosity food-grade grease enhances your kitchen's performance. It's ideal for stand mixers and a wide range of appliances, ensuring your equipment operates smoothly and efficiently. Safeguard the longevity of your stand mixer by applying this food-safe grease. It minimizes gear wear and tear, extending its lifespan for effortless operation every time. This white food-safe grease is a versatile solution for maintaining various kitchen gadgets. Use it to keep your appliances in top condition, ensuring high efficiency and reducing mechanical issues. Each 4-ounce bottle provides ample appliance gear grease for a full re-grease. It reduces friction and extends the life of your kitchen equipment, promoting optimal gear function for all users. Consult your appliance manual for precise application of this food-grade gear grease. This ensures optimal performance and avoids potential damage, simplifying maintenance and enhancing overall kitchen productivity. What we like. This high-viscosity grease ensures smooth operation and extends the life of your appliances. Its food-safe formula provides peace of mind for kitchen use. If you prioritize safety and long-term appliance maintenance, you should consider this. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. BlueStars upgraded W10112253 mixer worm gear replacement part. Is your stand mixer struggling to rotate or slipping under heavy loads? This replacement part is designed to bring it back to proper working condition. It supports consistent planetary movement, restoring dependable performance without needing a new appliance. This gear is engineered to fit most top-name brands, including Kitchenaid, Whirlpool, and Kenmore. It replaces numerous part numbers, ensuring a perfect match for your appliance. Check the details to confirm it's right for you. It's compatible with a wide range of popular mixer models from Whirlpool and Kitchenaid. Please refer to the full list to ensure it's the correct fit for your specific appliance. You can also send us your model number for confirmation. Crafted from sturdy, wear-resistant materials, this upgraded gear is built to last. Its reinforced construction ensures smooth engagement and stable mixing power. It handles everything from light batters to heavy doughs with ease. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive lifetime protection. This ensures your product is always covered for any defects or issues that may arise. We stand behind its reliable performance. Before purchasing, please double-check your original mixer's part number and size. You can also send us your mixer model number, and we'll gladly help confirm compatibility. We're here to assist with any concerns. What we like. This replacement gear restores consistent planetary movement, bringing your mixer back to life. It boasts superior materials for durability and comes with a lifetime protection. If you are looking for a reliable, single-unit repair with excellent customer assurance, you should consider this. What people say. Number 3. BlueStars W10112253 mixer worm gear for Whirlpool Kitchenaid. Is your stand mixer struggling to rotate or slipping under load? This replacement part can help bring it back to proper working condition. It supports consistent planetary movement, restoring dependable performance. If your mixer stops mixing heavy doughs, replacing this worm gear can restore its power. You won't need to replace the entire appliance, just this crucial component. This part is made to fit most top-name brands like Kitchenaid, Whirlpool, and Kenmore. It replaces numerous part numbers, ensuring a broad fit for many models. Crafted from sturdy, wear-resistant materials, this upgraded gear is built to last. Its reinforced construction ensures smooth engagement and stable mixing power for all your recipes. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime protection. This ensures your product is always covered for any defects or issues that may arise. Please check your mixer's part number and size before purchasing. You can also send us your model number, and we'll gladly confirm compatibility for you. What we like. This option provides 2 replacement gears, ensuring you have a spare or can fix multiple mixers. It offers reliable mixing performance and is backed by lifetime protection. If you need a cost-effective solution for multiple repairs or want a convenient backup, you should consider this pack. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no helpful points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Whirlpool Kitchenaid W10112253 Mixer Worm Gear Replacement. Is your beloved stand mixer not performing like it used to? A worn-out gear can significantly impact its efficiency and power. It's time for a reliable solution. This essential component is designed to restore your mixer's optimal function. It's a direct replacement for various part numbers, ensuring a perfect fit. It fits a wide range of top brands, including Kitchenaid, Whirlpool, and Kenmore. You can easily find the compatible part number for your specific model. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, this replacement part is built to last. It's rigorously tested by the manufacturer to meet OEM standards, guaranteeing effective and long-lasting performance. Don't let a faulty gear slow you down. Installing this replacement will bring your mixer back to life, allowing you to continue creating culinary masterpieces with ease. Should you encounter any issues or have questions about this product, our team is ready to assist you. We are committed to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This single replacement gear is crafted from durable, high-quality material, meeting OEM standards for effective performance. It's a straightforward solution for common mixer issues. If you need a single, high-quality replacement that matches original specifications, you should consider this. What people say. Number 1. Kitchenaid Whirlpool Mixer Worm Gear Kit. Is your Kitchenaid or Whirlpool mixer struggling? This comprehensive worm gear kit is designed to bring your appliance back to life. It provides all the essential components for a complete and effective repair. Inside, you'll find both the 9706529W11086780 and 9709231WP9709231 worm gears. These critical parts are vital for your mixer's drive system. They ensure smooth and consistent operation for all your mixing needs. The kit also includes the 970333797033338 mixer bevel gear kit and a 9709511 gasket. These components work together to ensure proper gear function and a secure seal. They are specifically designed for 5.5 and 6-quart Kitchenaid stand mixers. A 9703445 thrust bearing is also part of this package. This bearing is crucial for the worm gear's performance, reducing friction and wear. It ensures long-lasting, smooth operation for your mixer. 2 packets of food-grade grease are included to lubricate all moving parts. This ensures optimal performance and extends the lifespan of your mixer. It's universally compatible with all mixers requiring food-grade lubrication. For your convenience, a retaining ring pliers is provided to assist with installation. This kit is compatible with various Kitchenaid and Whirlpool 5QD and 6QD models. It replaces numerous original part numbers, making it a versatile repair solution. This kit replaces a vast array of original part numbers for the worm gears, bevel gears, gasket, and thrust bearing. You can be confident that these parts will fit and function perfectly. It's a reliable choice for maintaining your beloved kitchen appliance. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes multiple gears, a gasket, a thrust bearing, and even food-grade grease and pliers. It's designed for a complete overhaul of your 5QD or 6QD mixer. If you are tackling a full mixer repair and want all necessary components in one package, you should consider this kit. What people say. No relevant review points found in the provided source. No relevant review points found in the provided source. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.